Welcome my friends, I'm Miroslav and today we're going to be making festive bread, which is also called Pogača. It's soft, it looks beautiful and tastes incredible, and it's not hard to make. You're going to need 4.5 cups flour, 1 1/3 cups warm milk, 1 tablespoon dry yeast, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 teaspoon salt, 4 tablespoons oil, 2 whole eggs and 1 egg white, and 1 egg yolk. We're going to start with all the flour in a bowl and then add all the milk in the center of it and start mixing it slowly. Then add 1 tablespoon dry yeast, 1 tablespoon sugar, and mix it for about 5 to 10 minutes for yeast to get activated. Add 2 eggs and 1 egg white. Add teaspoon of salt. Four tablespoons of oil. Start kneading the dough until it stops sticking to your hands. It looks nice, it's soft and bouncy. Spread a little bit of oil on the dough and a bowl. Cover the bowl with the plastic wrap and set it aside to let it rise. After the dough is doubled in size, we're going to need 100 grams of melted butter and a yolk. You can spread a little bit of oil on the working area. After you get the dough out of the bowl, just stretch it and cut it 2 different sizes, one to be 2/3 and another 1/3. And then shape each one of them in a nice bowl. It's easier to roll it. We're going to start with the big piece first and stretch it as thin as you can. Brush it with the melted butter. And then start rolling it as tight as you can. Start cutting with scissors every ½ inch. After you finish cutting, start putting them in a pan and let them overlap a little bit. After you put them all in a pan, you can scoot them towards the center, maybe a ½ inch or an inch from the wall. Now we're going to start working on the second bowl. Again, stretch it as much as you can, but try to stay rectangular. Now cut all the 4 corners to make it straight. Cut from left to right every ½ inch, just 1/3. Spread melted butter on an uncut side of it. Now we're going to roll it from right to left as tight as you can. Then make a circle and put it in the center of the pan, and then fix the loose ends and tuck them underneath. Now it depends how much leftover dough you have. You can make 1 or 4 balls and put them in the center. Just roll them nicely and make them smooth. After you have everything in place, cover the whole thing with towel and let it sit for 15-20 minutes. And as you can see, it will rise more and fill up the whole pan. Now take the yolk that we have left from before and gently brush the whole thing. It's not necessary, but you can decorate it with sesame seed. I use everything bagel. Bake it at 375 for 25 minutes. After you get it out of the oven, brush it with the melted butter. Bread is ready to be served, and it's so beautiful. Look at how soft this is. And to taste it and smell it, you have to make it yourself. And as you can see, it's not that hard. I hope you enjoy cooking with me. Please click like, and if you're new to this channel, click subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.